is a good way to cut your melon. They can be kind of tricky, especially if you do not want the rind on in wedges and you just wanted chunks. What you want to do is actually remove the entire rind before cutting into it. And if you just kind of follow that curvature, you should be able to just kind of take as little of the fruit as possible. You know, we don't want to remove too much of that and waste it, obviously. You can always go back and grab any little pieces of the peel that you miss. You can do this with, you know, cantaloupes and other melons. You can actually do this even with a big watermelon. So there you go. Then we obviously want to scoop out our seeds. So I just have a bowl here to scoop them into. We can cut it however we want. So anytime that we're cutting, we always want to take the flat edge onto our board. That way we're not tipping and rolling. I usually just kind of go at an angle all the way around, and then I can kind of cut it into smaller pieces from there. And usually you can kind of keep it together pretty well, and then turn it. And we like to just have kind of some smaller pieces for snacking.